Are you tired of takeout that never quite hits the spot? Let's make some killer orange chicken at home. Today we're diving into a super simple, absolutely delicious orange chicken recipe that will have your taste buds dancing. First up, let's get our chicken nice and crispy. Beat 2 eggs in one bowl, and in another, mix flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Dip your chicken pieces in the egg, then coat them in the flour mix. Fry those bad boys in hot oil until they're golden brown and crispy. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. Now for the star of the show, the sticky, sweet, and tangy orange sauce. In a saucepan, heat some oil, toss in garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Once fragrant, add orange juice, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Bring it to a simmer and thicken it up with a cornstarch slurry. In about 5 minutes, you'll have a sauce so good you'll want to drink it. Toss your crispy chicken in that luscious sauce, top with scallions, and serve over a bed of fluffy white rice. There you have it, homemade orange chicken that's so delicious you might just forget about takeout. Bon appetit!